What? You gonna stay behind him?
Yeah, so...
Alright. Yo, I hit that fucking vulture, dude. It hit me square right here.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, they just ran it over. It fucked my mirror up.
That's okay?
Yeah, I'm good. It's fine. Yeah, I'm fine. It didn't hit me hard at all, really.
Okay.
I slowed down before I saw it coming, so I slowed down.
Oh, fuck.
That thing's fucked over there, yeah. Oh, God. The good thing is I got it on fucking tape too. Hey, just throw it in your car. Yeah, I knocked it off. I killed that bitch.
You hit that?
I killed that bad bitch over there. It hit my mirror and then it hit my arm.
You've got bird feathers on your GoPro.
Hell yeah. Knock them off, yeah. I recorded it.
That's on. That's on.
Throw it in your car. It's the
I'll keep it with me.
the plastic's broken.
Good to keep going?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh shit. Huh? What's up?
Hit the front fairing at all?
Yeah, it fucked the fairing up a little bit, but it's fine. It'll live.
Scratch your windshield too.
Yeah, I'll buy a new one. It's fine. Woo! Damn. I tried to slow down, but it was like perfect fucking trajectory, dude.
Yeah.
Oh well, it's fine.
Fucking nuts. I want to see it.
Huh?
I want to see.
Yeah. Yeah, I haven't really looked at it yet. Oh, the mirror. Oh yeah, it's fucked up. Oh, never mind. I don't think I'll be able to. It's too loose.
Hopefully that doesn't come off on the run.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's too loose. I'm gonna have to go back home because I'm not gonna. It's gonna waver in the wind. Yeah, you'll go up. I'm just gonna limp it because it's gonna fucking. It's not gonna stay.
What the fuck?
Yeah, see, we like hit it dead on right here.
It's a buzzard. Was it trying to fly across the road?
Huh?
Was it trying to fly across the road?
Yeah. I'll show you the video.
Should have done the bird briefing.
Yeah, it's all good, dude. You'll ride up, and then I will. Whenever you guys come down, let me know.
Are you going? Where are you going?
Home.
Oh,
You
you're
turn
going.
around, dude. You do it another day till you get fixed.
Yeah, I'll have to order a new fairing, but it'll be all right. Second fucking front fairing I gotta buy now. Another. Well, this one was cracked right here too, so fuck it.
That's a badass bike too.
Ugh, look at all that shit.
The blood?
I don't think so. No, they're just like.
Oh, it's from this.
Oh, I don't have a brake then. Yeah. All right, I'll limp it home. Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta go back.
Are you? Wait, are you gonna have brakes?
Cool.
We got a rear brake. I'll just, like I said, I'll limp it home. Reservoir will stick. Motherfucker.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh well.
What the fuck? You can get that to last so I can.
Throw it in the back of your truck, yeah? All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna go home because I can't do anything anymore. I'll see you guys at the house. I'm just gonna take it chill.